Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: SQL Server, SSMS, Visual Studio, and the Net SDK. Once done, open SSMS and create or identify the database you will use. Make sure TCP/IP is enabled in SQL Server Configuration Manager so remote connections work. Next, in Visual Studio, create a C# console or ASP. NET project targeting, NET core or NET framework. Then add the system, data, SQL client or Microsoft, data, SQL client NuGet package. This sets the stage for writing connection code. Now you write the core code. Build a connection string including server name, database, and authentication type. If using SQL Auth, keep credentials secure via user secrets or environment variables. Once ready, create a SQL connection inside a using block. This ensures disposal. Then create SQL command for queries or stored procedures. Prefer async methods like open async and execute reader async for responsiveness. Also add SQL parameter instances to parameterize inputs. This prevents SQL injection and keeps your applications safe and predictable. You finish by testing. Run the app locally and compare results to SSMS to validate queries and types. Once validated, adjust connection string for deployment, set proper firewall rules, and ensure the SQL Server service runs under an account with needed permissions. If something goes wrong, first check the SQL Server service status, TCP/IP setting, and your connection string for typos. Make sure the account authentication matches, and increase command timeout if long operations time out. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.